The first meter on the market to measure percent moisture content in sheetrock using a calibrated scale, the BD2100 moisture meter from Delmhorst, is a bestseller, and it's perfect for any building inspection or restoration job. Whether you're a restoration contractor, flooring installer, or home inspector, you know that having a moisture meter is one of the most important tools you can carry to identify moisture intrusion and minimize loss. The BD2100 is a pin-type moisture meter. It's very flexible in that it can measure moisture in drywall, wood, and other building materials like insulation and concrete. The built-in pins on the top of the meter can be used to penetrate into drywall or into wood up to 1 inch thick, and can also be used in conjunction with masonry nails to check concrete. The connector on the side accepts any Delmhorst electrode. The most popular electrodes are the 21E for measuring insulation behind the drywall, and the 26ES for measuring hardwood floors and subfloors. The BD2100 features a brightly lit display, easy to read. It has a wood scale that measures percent moisture content over the range of 6 to 40% moisture content. It has a reference scale that measures between 0 and 100 on a relative basis, and that's used for checking insulation and concrete. And it also has a drywall scale that measures drywall from 0.1 to 50% moisture content. The drywall scale is a Delmhorst exclusive, and it really helps obtain better readings on the drywall because it's giving an actual percentage rather than a relative reading on drywall. To access those scales, you simply press the asterisk button here and just choose among 1, 2, or 3. 1 being the wood scale, 2 being the reference scale, and 3 being the drywall scale. Once you've set your scale to the material that you're testing, you can adjust the alarm by pressing the pound key. The alarm is user adjustable, and it's a really great feature because it allows you to go into a job, identify an unaffected area or a dry standard, and then set the alarm to that value. Once you measure the material that you've set the alarm to, anytime the buzzer goes off, it alerts you that that section of the material is at a higher moisture level than your dry standard or your unaffected area. Again, the user adjustable alarm is a Delmhorst exclusive as well. The meter also has a built-in calibration check. By just pressing these 2 buttons, it tells you it reads 12.0, and that's an indication that the meter is in electrical calibration. That's important to do periodically before you take measurements, just to make sure that the meter is in calibration. The last feature that the BD2100 offers is limited storage capability. Every time you take a reading by pressing the read button and releasing it, it stores that reading into memory. And then you can press the check button to see how many readings have been stored, the average of those stored readings, and the highest reading. And this is a nice feature because as you're going through any sort of inspection job, the closer your average and your high are next to each other, the more uniform the readings are. The BD2100 is a great value for the features it offers, and is a vital tool for any building inspector, flooring contractor, or restoration contractor.